Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone is unlocked, at least half charged, and connected to Wi-Fi. Once done, choose your language and region at the setup prompts. This matters because Google tailors options by locale. When you reach the Sign In screen, tap Create Account and pick For Myself. Use a recovery phone or secondary email now so you can regain access later. This step reduces lockouts after resets, and it speeds verification during account creation. Now you'll enter personal details and choose a username. Use your real name and accurate birth date so account recovery rules work correctly. If your preferred username is taken, append numbers or a middle initial. Avoid symbols that confuse typed verification. Create a strong password of at least 12 characters. Combine /lowercase, digits, and symbols, and store it in a password manager. Make sure to review Google's privacy prompts and accept services you want. This configures. Finish by verifying your identity. Choose SMS or recovery email to receive a code and enter it when prompted, because verification links your device to the account and prevents immediate lockouts. Once verified, enable two-step verification to add a second layer of protection. This prevents unauthorized access if your password is compromised. Finally, restore your Google backups and confirm sync settings so contacts, apps, and photos return. If verification fails, retry with the recovery email or request a new SMS code. Slow networks can delay delivery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.